Welcome aboard, we are Tanya and Stephen, and you have just been cleared for adventure. Buckle up as we take you flying, traveling, and living our best life. Let's go. If you like animals, this video is going to be for you. Enjoy. Stephen and I are down on the farm. It's Brooke's going away party. She's moving. So right now Brooke lives on a farm and helps out. Look at the weather. Woo-wee. But we're down on the farm.
August 22nd or 3rd. That's the deal. Whoa.
They got all kinds of animals. Goats, chickens, horses, pigs. I hope this weather holds out for her. Oh my goodness. We're in Valencia, a Little Britain area, Ontario. Look at the little one. We started to notice that the clouds were starting to twist and turn, and shortly after this we got a lot of emergency warnings going off on all of our phones to take shelter.
Chickens look a little wet. Yeah.
We have new to the barn. We are now in the barn. There's tornado warnings and telling us to take cover. Look at the cute little goat, baby goat. And there's, oh, stomping the feet. We're too close to her baby.
What are you going to do about it? Huh?
Mama here, baby there. She don't like us this close to her baby.
Oh my God, I should get closer.
And that's where they have a goatee come from. Look at the goatee. Very cute. Sometimes we get caught up in everyday life that we forget how important it is to simply slow down and breathe. Even with all of the weather, the tornadoes, the torrential rain, we had a good day. And we wish you nothing but the best on your new adventure and your new life going forward. If you enjoyed today's adventure, hit subscribe. Until next time, stay curious and stay cleared for adventure.